you watch the videos?
Yes sir, I watched all the videos.
Which
बस
one?
वही है कि जो बीच बीच में सर जो पोज हो रहा था उसकी वजह से वीडियोस बहुत लेंदी हो रही थी।
नहीं, ये तो मैंने उसको एडिट करके ठीक कर दिया ना।
हाँ तो बस वही चीज थी और वो आपने ठीक कर दिया था। हाँ मैंने देखा था, आपका मैसेज आया था।
नहीं, मैसेज आने के बाद आपने देखा है दोबारा से वो ठीक हो गई या उसमें
नो
अभी भी
सर,
कहीं रह गया
उसके
है?
बाद दोबारा नहीं देखा।
नहीं देखा। अच्छा चलो देखकर मुझे बताना। यू कैन
ओके
राइट ऑन माई इंडिविजुअल व्हाट्सएप। मैंने उसमें काफ़ी चेंज किया है, मतलब लेकिन फिर भी हो सकता है कहीं कहीं रह गया हो, मेरा ध्यान ना गया हो, so you can tell me, I can edit it further and you can use it uh, later also during your examination, before your examination. During means while preparing for your examination. I've created for this purpose only. Sometimes students are not able to attend, so I've created because of this.
यस सर।
ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है। So we so should we? Yes. Anybody has any question? Should we begin? Somebody can just say something where we left in the last class, which we had early morning on Monday. Yes, Nimisha, you were there? Nimisha, were you there?
No, sir.
No. Mohit, were you there?
No, sir.
Janvi?
नो सर।
Okay. Anurag?
नो सर।
Okay. तो आज आप लोग क्यों आ गए हो? आज भी मत आते फिर, क्या
सर
चक्कर
आई
है?
वाज हियर।
Okay. Who said? Yeah, tell me.
कृतिका।
कृतिका, हाँ बताओ क्या। मैं लेकिन चलो पहले तुम्हें बताओ, उससे पहले मैं बाकी से पूछ रहा हूँ कि जब तुम इतने सब लोग एब्सेंट थे तो आज ही क्यों आ गए? चलो आ गए तो पता तो होना चाहिए। बाकी बच्चों से, अपनी क्लासमेट से पूछ करके ही तो बैठोगे, तभी तो समझ आएगा मैं आज क्या बताने जा रहा हूँ। वीडियो वॉच की होनी चाहिए। मान लीजिए चलो क्लास में नहीं आया तो यूट्यूब पर मेरा लेक्चर सुन लो, कितने 35 मिनट का था। आई मीन आई हैव गिवन यू दैट फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी आल्सो नाउ। हाँ कृतिका बताओ, सॉरी रितिका बताओ।
सर इन दैट क्लास यू टोल्ड अस इट वाज अबाउट डिसीजंस।
यस, सो वेयर डिड वी लीव? लेट्स पिक अप द थ्रेड फ्रॉम देयर। व्हाट इज इट दैट वी वर टॉकिंग? Vedvati?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Same question. Or Vinamra? Yeah, Vedvati, tell me.
सर मैंने एक्चुअली पिछली क्लासेस अटेंड नहीं की थी.
अच्छा, ओके. एनीबडी? और किसने अटेंड की? अनु?
No, sir.
आदर्श?
नो सर.
ओके. नहीं तो आज कुछ क्लास करनी है या कुछ एक दूसरे को जोक ही सुनाने हैं? नहीं, तुम तो बिल्कुल जैसे कहते हैं बीच नदी में जाकर के नाव में छलांग लगा रहे हो. मान लीजिए नाव में नहीं बैठे, पानी में ही गिर गए तो? हाँ जी. चलिए अब ऐसा करते हैं कि फिर पिछली क्लास की तो बात नहीं करते. ठीक है, हम कुछ इस तरीके से टॉपिक को शुरू करते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम जस्ट सेइंग हियर, see, I've given you that flexibility. My recorded videos are available on YouTube and I've also shared the link on WhatsApp. So you kindly go through, if you somehow you miss the class, you kindly go through the lecture so that you can connect with the subject that we are moving forward. See, this is not like, you did not hear one song and then you enjoy the next song. It's like a, continuous melody. And so if it is a continuous melody, I mean, somewhere in between, you miss the thread and you don't enjoy. Number two, it doesn't take into account the timings of the cash flow even during payback time. Whatever the payback time, if the cash flows are different in different projects, it really doesn't take into account, which is so much highlighted by looking at project D. When you look at project D, you find, well, the cash flows are so different. In fact, this should not be treated as a very good project compared to the remaining three A, B, C. But somehow we are finding that the payback time is coming in both the cases. So then we look at, besides limitation, is there any advantage of this method? So what's an answer to that question? If we say, what is the advantage of this method? I'll put this advantage if you are not able to come up with an answer, because we have some limited time also for this class, and I just want to conclude as well. The advantage is that in one class I'm able to explain to you this aspect. So from there the advantage is visible, and that is that it is easy to understand. You can easy to follow. You know what is payback time and you can do the calculation. So in one class of 45 minutes, not only one is able to understand the concept and limitations, one is also able to understand how to do the calculation, and you are able to do calculation. Many of you are able to do calculations accurately, right? So we say this is a very easy method, and because it is an easy method, it is used by business people who are not very trained in finance. So they use it, and it is still being used, and in majority of the cases, or in most of the cases, it actually gives you the right answer. So without training, without learning, you get a right answer. But somehow when the project information becomes complex, you want to be doubly sure. So because you want to be doubly sure, you want to ensure that your answer is correct. So you want to apply sophisticated tools. So that's what we are going to learn in our future classes. So in today's class, I've just explained as to how to evaluate investment options using different methods. So we have just talked of one method today, which is payback period method. In this payback period method, we calculate payback period, and the project that gives you the shortest payback period, that is the project which is best as per this method. Now, whether it is best or not, we must look at the limitations, and in the light of that, if we find, well, there is a gray area, we apply other techniques as well. So there are 5 methods which we will be learning in our curriculum, and this is the first method I've just mentioned. Okay, I think we can conclude. I will only appeal to you people, I will suggest to you people that you be more interactive, you be more participative. If you are more participative, not only class will become interesting, you will also find that learning is also better. Yes,
Okay,
any
sir.
question, any observe? Yeah, yes, tell me. So if not, I say stop, we stop here. Okay, so if you have other classes, you may leave. If you don't have other classes, you can spend maybe few minutes more. If you have any questions, you're welcome to ask. If you have anything to say, you're welcome to say that also. I have also posted videos of my lectures on the YouTube, which I've the link of which I've shared. So you can go through there. So don't miss the classes is something that I say, because if you are in the class, you get an opportunity to interact. So this opportunity to interact, although I have tried creating through YouTube, there also you can write some comment, and when I read it, I'll reply also. But if you are in the class, you get an opportunity. You also get opportunity to hear what others are saying. So be participative, listen to others, explain, try to, try to say things so that you know whether you are on the right track or not, is what I am advising. So I am stopping if there is nothing more. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye.